Hey Tappy, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So guys, if you are new in this channel, make sure you guys first of all like, share and subscribe, and just join my telegram link in the description. If you want every code like tap swipe, so make sure you guys join my telegram. So tap swipe gives a new task which is called tap swipe stream. So the okay, let's read its rule. Join the stream and get an additional rewards. Codes will appear approximately every 15 minutes. Enter the code. Okay, so if you already know guys, you will get code like 1 million tokens, like 500 tokens, 50k tokens, 10k tokens from live stream. So make sure guys, you have to join live stream and you will get every code in 15 minutes, and that code will be valid for 1 to 2 minutes. So you have to enter that code in just 1 to 2 minutes. So and then after that you will get 1 million tokens. So if you want to get that code, so make sure guys join my telegram link in the description, where 600 people are already joined. So make sure guys join my telegram and you have to watch this stream. If you don't want to watch this stream, so make sure guys join my telegram and you will get every code from tap swipe. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.